Alright, so this lens they give you, that's supposed to magnify things, I wouldn't use it. So that's a problem. Alright, so we're trying to shoot the moon with this Canon, what is this thing? G70, I think it is. It seems to be having a problem focusing right now. So let's zoom out. But I do have a Vivitar telephoto lens that it came with on there. Oh, there goes a plane. So tell you what, I'm going to unscrew this lens. See what happens here. So bear with me here as we take this off. Maybe this telephoto lens it came with is a piece of junk. Well, it's sharper without the telephoto lens it came with. Yes, I'm actually using a tripod today. Look at that. Oh, trying to get some video of this moon. I used this Vivitar telephoto lens. I'm not sure it did me any favors. Came with the camera. Might be a piece of junk. I'm not sure. So let's swing it back around and get some more of the moon here. Alright, so we're going to zoom in on the moon. And yes, I'm actually using a tripod, believe it or not. So let's zoom out and we're going to get some just foliage for you here. Gotta figure out how to work the zoom. Get it to be a little more smooth. Let's see here. This thing is zoom in over there on that guy fishing. Alright, so now we're going to put this lens on here and see what happens. Yeah, you probably shouldn't do it while the camera's on, but seems to drastically reduce your sharpness. Oh, and it vignettes too, look at that. Whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so I don't know about these lenses it comes with. I'm not so sure about this thing. It doesn't seem to screw in there that well. Oh, here we go. Alright, that's better. Alright, so let's try that again. Is that better or worse? That seems to be not very sharp to me. Sorry, that could be a gimmick. And it really and truly drastically affects the sides. Look at that. I mean, if you like that effect, maybe, but I'm not sure that I do. No, that's not sharp at all. Look at that. It's nasty looking. All right, taking this thing off because it looks like poo. Alright, so this lens they give you, that's supposed to magnify things, I wouldn't use it. So that's a problem. Again, that's pretty far. That's got to be a long way. That is the moon. Full zoom. There's got to be a way to change the exposure on this thing. Let me mess around with that. Hey, hold on a second. I just discovered there's some setting in there. If you put a lens on it, it needs to know you're putting a lens on it. So I'm going to screw this lens back on there. Let's see what happens. That really doesn't seem that much more close up, does it? Not really. Yeah, I'd say that's not too sharp. So that could be a gimmick. That's a gimmick. Alright, so I can think of a few instances when you'd actually use this thing. This looks pretty nasty. So, this is a joke. Don't use this. It's terrible. It doesn't work. So that's that with that thing. You get one of these kits, I don't know what to tell you. That's not going to work. Let's get the moon one more time. Seems to be happier with the lens hood on than off. Definitely happier with the lens hood on than off. I'm not sure how you do slow motion here. See if we can figure that out.